Introducing the ZEROPLAY 360 Sled Kit. This little baby combines the precision and ease of ZEROPLAY Miter Bars with the versatility of the MATCHFIT system. The kit includes one ZEROPLAY Miter Bar and the all-new MATCHFIT Dovetail Hardware. An all-in-one package to build the most versatile sled in your shop, hands down. Building the sled is fast and easy. All you need is some plywood and a 1/2-inch 14-degree dovetail router bit. Simply cut your sled to size, route some dovetail grooves, and install the miter bar. With the ZEROPLAY's one-touch calibration, you instantly fill the full width of the miter slot for no side-to-side play. The unique grid of dovetail grooves allows you to set your fence at any angle and lock it in place with the dovetail hardware. Use the dovetail hardware to create stops and hold downs for safe, repeatable cuts. Add MATCHFIT dovetail clamps for even more control when cutting tapers or other tricky angles that just can't be done with a factory miter gauge. No matter the angle of your cut, the ZEROPLAY Miter Bar keeps the sled running parallel to the blade at all times. It's made right here in the USA, backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Don't just make another sled, make the last sled you'll ever need. Add to your cart and work smarter today with the ZEROPLAY 360 Sled Kit. MicroJig, work safer, work smarter.